Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mad Over Making. My name is Piyush Bansal and in today's video we are going to discuss what are the interview questions related to HR domain asked in the Excel Dynamics. Many of the queries I have received related to that only because I have already uploaded one video where the financial analyst profile related everything is clear, but for the HR profile this is my first video, so we are going to cover lot of things related to the interview part for Excel Dynamics, specifically for the HR profile. Before starting my video, I would like to clear you that who are the candidates who is eligible for this particular job role. Generally they require the experienced candidate with having of 1 year of experience, but sometimes they also accept the applications of freshers candidate. So if you are the freshers, just apply with the profile. If your resume got shortlisted, then it will be a good situation for you guys. And the second point is that male and female both can apply for this particular job role. This can be a work from home or work from office, depend upon the situations. So it's not compulsory that you will get a work from home. And the last point is that any graduate can apply for this profile. So I hope the eligibility criteria related to the HR profile is clear in the Excel Dynamics, and they are currently hiring at a mass level, so it's a kind of very good opportunity, and the response time is also very fast. You get a response within a week regarding your further process. So what we are going to cover in this video, let's see that agenda. First we are going to see the selection process, then round 1 details, the most important thing, because whenever you are facing the interview you have to go with that test, or we can say you have to go with the round 1 that is something related to the test. So in this video the most focused part will be that only. I'm going to show you certain questions that are already been asked in the test for the HR profile, and we are also going to discuss something related to selection round. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. So watch this video till the end so that you can get all the answer related to this profile in Excel Dynamics. So let's get started with the video, guys. The very first thing is that selection process. So what it is? What is the process for applying in the Excel Dynamics for any profile? The process is something same. The rounds or the questions that might be different, but the process will remain same. So the very first point in the process is that you have to require to fill the form with your resume. The link is available at their website for the positions, and I have already uploaded one video where the HR profile is there, so you can also fill your application from that link only. I will also provide the link in that video also, so you can apply for this profile from wherever you want to apply. The next point is that if you get shortlisted, you will get an online test link that will be valid for 2 days, or we can say for the 48 hours. The test consists of mainly 2 questions that we are going to discuss detail in the upcoming part. Next, once you pass the test, you will get a pre-employment form via mail. In that you have to fill certain informations along with your updated resume and Skype ID so that they can schedule your interview if you get shortlisted in the test. Then after that you will receive a call to schedule your interview. Once your interview is done, they will let you know regarding the further decision whether you are selected or not. So you have to wait for that. You have to wait for something around 1 week to 2 weeks to get your reply. Next, the selection round. Mainly they have the 2 rounds. The first one is the assessment test and second one is the interview round. What is there in the assessment test? The first one is the work experience and job related questions will be asked in the assessment test, and next second section will be related to HR related questions. We are going to discuss these 2 points in details in the upcoming part. Next, here I have mentioned the note that the rounds might be changed and different questions can also be asked. So whatever the questions I am showing you in that video, it is not compulsory that you will also face the same questions, because that might be changed. That might be the case where the different interviewer will take your interview and the questions can be changed, but you will get the idea which type of questions will be asked. So the last round will be your interview round. Moving to the next part, round 1, that is assessment test, in which we will see first the section 1 part. Section 1 part will be related to work experience and your job related questions, like what is your current status, what is your current designations, what is your current company in which you are working or for which role you are working. So these are the questions that will be faced for the experienced only, and sometimes they allow for the freshers candidate for this profile. Then the questions might be different. They will ask questions related to your internship only. Next, for how many years you are working there, and then the next, what type of work you have done. So these are mainly related to the job related or the profile related questions, or we can say for the profile that you have worked. Moving to the section 2 for the round 1, that is again a very important, because the core questions for the profile will be asked, or we can say HR related questions will be asked. So you have to be very cautious, you have to be very focused on these questions while replying to any of the questions. While answering to any of the questions, you have to think many things before answering it. What frustrates you in your profession and how can you handle it? So you have to answer that in a very positive way. Like, what are the things that frustrate you in your profession, and whatever the job that you have done, what are the things that frustrates you so that you are switching your job, so that you are looking for the job change. So these kind of questions can be asked out of this one question. Moving to the next question, what are the good and the bad aspects of being HR professional? So whatever the bad aspects you will be telling to the interviewer, you will be writing in the assessment test, that should also be a positive, not a negative impact. Like, if you write the bad aspects that are affecting your job, then they will simply ask why you want to make your career in HR if these many bad aspects are there. So you have to tell the bad aspects, but these should have some positive point in the positive way. So make sure while answering any of the questions, these questions are not very simple. While looking at these things, these are very complicated ones. You have to answer that in a very complicated way, so that the interviewer will also confuse while evaluating your assessment test. What skill set is required for being an HR manager? What are the importance of HR in the organization? So here the main again important part is that whenever you are counting the importance of the HR, not like that the basic part like training, like we have to provide the training to the candidates, we have to recruit the candidate. These are the very basic importance. These are the very basic elements of HR profiles. You have to go beyond that. You have to write beyond that, because everybody will be writing these importance, these elements of the profile. But you have to write something unique. You have to write something different, so that your applications will look different and have a very great impact in front of the HR. And the last question is that biggest achievement and biggest disappointment of your life. So this will be related to your work experience only. What are the achievements that you have done during your previous job? So you can answer easily that question. So the second round will be of your interview round, in which the interview will be scheduled by an online mode. So for that they will be taking your Skype ID, on which you will be answering various questions related to your test only. So whatever the things that you have written in the test, make sure while answering in the interview you are relating these things. Like, whatever the good and the bad aspects you have written in the interview test, you have to justify that in the interview round. So you have to communicate all those things in a very efficient, or we can say in the very smooth manner, so that the interviewer and you can also connect your both the rounds. Like, whatever you are writing, you are able to justify it or not. If you are able to justify, it means you get selected. So this is all about the interview round, guys. There might be a case when the first round in the interview is of telephonic, but that is a very rare case. They take the telephonic. They generally take the Skype video call round, in which they sometimes classified it as a 1 or 2. So that might be the case, because this is not fixed. This will not say. This is generally the idea. On the basis of that, you can prepare yourself for the process and apply for that. I hope you understood all the things. I hope I am able to clear you regarding the process, regarding the interview questions for the HR profile only. Many of the queries I received related to that profile only. So I planned one video, and later on I will also plan another video related to the interview questions. These are the questions that is being asked in the test round 1. I will be more covering the part for the round 2 as well, in which the interview questions that is already been asked, I will also discuss those. So if you have any query related to the interview questions, if you have any doubt regarding like how should I answer that questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer your queries in any manner, in any job, for anything. You can ask me your doubt over the Instagram, over the comment section. I hope it would be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, guys.